This video shows the kind of tracking accuracy which we have achieved on our GSO 16-inch Dobsonian. So I'm going to use the jog keys on the controller to turn the telescope by 6 arc seconds. So I'm going to click it once. It goes up by 6 arc seconds along increasing declination. Another 6 arc seconds, another 6. So one of the challenges here was to control the backlash and other errors. And now we do on the RA. I have increased RA by 6 arc seconds, another 6 goes smoothly. When I decrease, it will go fast. So I do it once, second, third. So we come back, 1, 2, 3. So with this kind of controls, it becomes easy to keep it within a small region of interest when doing planetary photography, when we're recording videos, for example. So we can select a pretty small region of interest to increase the frame rate. So even if we don't touch the keys, now let's see how the sidereal tracking is performing. Currently, Jupiter is at an altitude of around 42 degrees and azimuth of around 273. That doesn't matter actually. So that's it. Thank you.